Hey, welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. In today's video, I'm going to chalk paint a cloth chair. I hope you stick around till the end of the video to hear my thoughts on it. Did I love it or did I hate it? I had been wanting to chalk paint a cloth chair, and to my surprise, I looked out the window and there was one in my neighbor's trash. Try to do this chalk paint technique that I have been seeing for years and years now, and I'll keep you guys updated. It's really important that your fabric is super wet before a painting. As the paint dries, it actually dyes the fabric. I'd like to add that this first grayish coat of paint is actually homemade chalk paint. I mixed a color with plaster of Paris. Well, hot diggity. I got one coat on and it's covering fairly good. So I kind of came up with the idea that I wanted this to look like a reupholstered chair from some of Grandma's old fabric that you found in the attic. As I went on and kept spraying the water on it, it began to look more and more tie-dye-like to me, and that's how I got the tie-dye chair. You'll see me add a lot of water throughout this whole video to this paint. It spreads and runs beautifully. If you watch here, you'll see that paint run and kind of, I don't know what to call it, it like blends out, which makes it look worn. I was at the very bottom of my bottle or my jar of Hay Sailor, and I had added a lot of water. It was more than half water to the paint, so it was really runny when I want to call it tattooing. I finally got wise and started just using my dabber to make different little marks that look like the flowers. is the Farm Fresh I did, I don't know, last week. I'm not loving it. I love the color. I just don't feel like it kind of goes with the seat, which I love, or the back, which I really love. And I am out of this blue, the Say Sailor. I'm totally out of it. Like none left. I scraped and everything. So now I feel like my Bohemian Blue is going to be a little better. And I'm going to, first of all, paint here, because maybe that's throwing me off. I'm going to paint that first and see if I like it a little better. Tell me in the comments if you like this look best. Okay, I didn't love it again. I got an issue with not loving this. So, right now I have painted dark all around, and I'm going to give it a spray and see how it runs and maybe if it looks cool like that. Tell me in the comments if you think I should have stopped here. Okay, this is how real painting goes. I didn't like it. Now I'm gonna try a tie-dye effect. I really didn't know what I was doing here, so I kept adding and spraying and adding and spraying until I felt like it almost looked like tie-dye. Okay, it's done. It's as done as I'm gonna get it. Don't forget I got it out of the trash. I'm going to apply my paste wax to it, and I do not expect it to work. It's still a cloth, even though I've painted over it, and it's got a real hard, bumpy, scratchy texture. I'm worried that when I put this wax on, it won't come off, or actually what I'm worried about is it's gonna stink because it's got a strong smell. So watch me apply it and we'll find out together. You can see how the wax really deepens and brings out the color. Wax is on. I haven't wiped it off the legs yet, but I will. The color has definitely come back. The parts that I waxed earliest are actually dry. It's still kind of crispy feeling, but it's a little better. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. See what happens. My little tie-dye chair from the trash. Seeing this picture makes me wish I had more of that Hey Sailor. It would have looked so much better. The turquoise kind of throws it off. It does look pretty sharp with the light backdrop. My honest opinion, I took it in the house to take the pictures, and the wax smell is so strong, I had to bring it back out. So I'm filming out here, sitting on it. It's dry, but it's still crinkly and crackly, and it's kind of rough. I don't recommend, I guess, what I did. I've seen other people do it, and they say it isn't that's crinkly and crackly or rough, and they use other products, so I do not recommend my way, but I do recommend you keep watching YouTube videos to learn how to do it yourself. I am not out any money, just a little bit of time, and I got to do something I had been wanting to do. Thank God I found it in the trash that day. It was a lot of fun for me to make this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up.